Hello guys, welcome back to Python tutorials by InfoRiders. Today in this session we will be discussing about the data types and the typecasting methods. Let us get started. Coming to the data types. Data types tells the type of the data present in the variable. This data type tells us the type of the variable. These are the list of data types present here: int, float, complex, bool, list, tuple, string, dictionary and set. These are the three main categories comes under the number categories. This bool is a type of which gives the answer as true or false. List, tuple and strings comes under the sequence data types. Dictionary and set. Let me give an example for int data type. Here int is used only for the whole numbers, to represent the whole numbers. For example, a is equal to 15, or you can write as b is equal to 10. This is example for int data type. Now for the float data types, this is the representation of the decimal part. For example, a is equal to 3.4 or b is equal to 9.6, anything. Here the complex data type next. It is a combination of real part as well as the imaginary part. For example, c is equal to 3 plus 14j. Here you can see that 3 is the real part and 14j is the imaginary part. Now let's coming to the bool data type. This data type gives us only the either true value or a false value. If the condition is true, then it will give the answer as true. If the condition gets not true, then gives the answer as false. Coming to the part sequence data type. List, tuple and the string. Here list is the collection of a different data type elements. It can be consisting of, for example, L is equal to, it should be represented in the square bracket. It can consist of numbers as well as strings. Next is tuple. Tuple is that of similar to list, but the only thing difference here is the tuple is immutable. I'll be discussing the mutable and immutable in the later sections. Here just understand that immutable means this is cannot be altered. The values cannot be altered here. Immutable. For example, t is equal to, it should be covered in the round brackets. Now let's coming to the string data type. It is a collection of letters or alphabets. For example, string is equal to, the syntax here is you can use the single quote or a double quote or a triple quotes to represent the strings. These all are the valid strings. Now coming to the next data type, dictionary data type. Here the dictionary data type is used to represent the key and value separately in the pair section. Now the syntax can be given as d is equal to, it should be written in curly brackets. First we should write the key value and value. For example, d is equal to 4, comma, now we can take 8 and 5. Here 3 and 8 are the key values of a dictionary, and here 4 and 5 are the values of the 3 and 8 respectively. Now coming to the last data type, set. If you want to represent a group of data types without any duplicate ones, then we will use the set data type, which is a mutable data type. The syntax here is set is equal to, you can give the values for these 3, 5, 8, which are non-repeatable. Okay, let's move into the next section. These are the typecasting methods. We will see the typecasting methods in the next video. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for further videos in the Python tutorial. Thank you all.